Hey, it's Kristen at Caster Depot, and today I'm going to show you how to replace or upgrade the casters on your office chair. So today we have an office chair here, and it just has your traditional black casters on there. Today we're going to install the Omega caster. It's got a nice sleek look, and it's very easy to replace or upgrade your casters, and I'll show you now. So what you're going to do is you'll just tip your chair over on its side, and then these will pop out really easy. Just kind of push back on the chair and tug out on the caster. Take your new ones, pop them right in. They pull out very easy. You're just gonna again pop it right back in. So here you have your office chair with the replacement casters on here. These are, again, the Omegas. Traditionally, office chairs have the 7/16 grip ring stem. If you're unfamiliar with that or need further information, you can reach out to our experts at Caster Depot or watch one of our tutorials on how to measure that.